Sebisa mungkin jadi karakter terletik sebisa mungkin ya. Apa yang hidup terletik ya. Orang kebayanya mantap istirahat kamu langsung ke Elpa kasih om setelah ya lama sana istirahat lah.
So they like run away from home and ecstasy makes you feel like warm and good about yourself. So they drop it and they feel good and they dance all night.
And when did you take it for the first time?
1988. And I was listening to Moby playing with
Tadi na siapa di mana?
Derek May and stuff like that. And my friend was like, yeah, drop this. And I was like, oh well. And I dropped and I ended up sitting on the speaker all night, just letting the vibrations make me feel good.
And loving everybody. You were, how old were you though? You
I
were
was maybe 14 or 15.
okay. Describe to me. Say I took ecstasy like, you know, an hour ago or whatever. What would I
Apa